In this video, I will show you how to create a simple scene in OBS that consists of your gameplay and a Facecam. I will also show you how to make your webcam or any other specific source a certain shape, but more on that later. For now, I just want to show you the basics on how to create a basic layout that is commonly used by streamers and gamers, so let's get into the video. So first things first, you'll need your gameplay, and assuming your game is on PC, traditionally there will be three ways of capturing your game feed: through game capture, Windows capture, or display capture. I went over these sources in the lesson all about all the sources, but to quickly summarize here, the display capture is used to capture what is being displayed on the monitor, the Windows capture is used to capture a specific window on your computer, and game capture is designed to capture PC games specifically. The last of which tends to be the best option as it's designed to capture games, but occasionally you might run into some instances where your game isn't being picked up by the game capture. In this instance, the Windows capture would be the next best option. I wouldn't recommend using display capture unless you have to, since then it forces to keep the game on a specific screen all the time, but everyone's setup will be different, so it's best to choose which option works for you. If the game that you're trying to capture is not on PC, and is instead on a console, then you're going to need a capture card, and you'll need to plug that into your computer. Capture cards will often register on OBS as video capture devices, so you can select that source and your capture card should pop up. If this doesn't work, then there could potentially be other methods than just video capture cards, like having the capture card output to a separate window and using window capture instead, but that will depend on what capture card you're using, so I'd recommend doing your own research into it if you're having issues. Next, you'll need to capture your audio from the game. There are multiple ways of doing this. If your desktop audio is only outputting the game's audio and you aren't hearing anything else like Discord pings or any other application, then you can use that. Using desktop audio can be quite convenient. However, similarly to display capture, you have to ensure that your audio is only coming from the game. If you're in a voice chat, then the desktop audio will pick that up as well. A way of avoiding this would be using any application audio capture, which is designed to only pick up the audio from the app that you are using. This is the best option, but similarly to game and Windows capture, it might not work properly for every game out there, so again, I would recommend experimenting and using what works best for you. Finally, you can add your Facecam if you would like. Similarly to the capture card, Facecams will appear under Video Capture Device, so you can select that. Now, say you want your Facecam to be a specific shape, like a circle for example, then what you can do is select the appropriate source and select filters, either in the source bar or by right-clicking on the source. From there, you'll want to add an effect filter called Mask Image/Blend, and here you'll want to set the type to Alpha Mask Alpha Channel, and in the path you want to select the image of the file of whatever shape you want. Here I want a circle, so I have a circle shape image on my files, so I'll put that there, and as you can see, it changes the shape of the camera. Hey, I hope this video helped you. This video was a short clip from my course on OBS, so if you're new to the software, I'd highly recommend checking it out, as it goes into details over many things discussed in this video, as well as some other things, such as the interface, the settings, and a lot more. The links to the courses are in the description, so if you decide to check it out, then I greatly thank you. See you across the internet.